Guys, we want to knock right now.
I'm gonna knock right now.
Guys, if you're new here, I'm Jaden. Now behind the
Xavier and Suarez. All right. So in the last video, we didn't really upload it because it was dark. So we just put the torch on.
Yeah.
And now we're gonna knock.
So guys, if someone attacks us, we wanna get ready to battle. Suarez, come here. We're not losing you. So guys, comment down below if you see any creepy stuff watching.
Exactly. Anything. And I mean anything, guys. Anyways, come on, we're not in. Guys, in the last video, I didn't upload it. I thought this is like some kind of animal, but it's just boots.
Okay, guys. Yeah, let's go.
Right, come on. Oh my god, this camera's so bright. I can't even see where I'm going.
Okay,
I know, guys. Oh, this is my cat, guys, over here. You see? Oh my god, the eyes look creepy though. Guys, comment down below if the eyes on my cat look creepy when you look at it.
You've got notes.
Look, guys, it looks. Listen. My cat's looking at something. Follow my cat. Oh my god, let's follow my cat, guys. There's a cat. Hi, cat. Right, guys. That cat there. Guys. Hitting the cat.
Guys.
Tabby. Alright, this is my cat, guys.
I just did a knock. From side.
Not back garden, go for back garden. Right, guys. This is the creepiest thing we've ever done. My back garden is basically haunted. Camera. I see something in camera. I see it in the camera. Alright, guys, run. Run, guys, run. Guys.
It's so
Oh my god, look at my cat.
through the neighborhood.
Look at my cat.
The cat wants to follow us.
Okay, record me.
Come on.
Record me though. Alright,
Guys.
we're gonna go back.
Here.
Jaden behind the camera here. Oh, well, me, Xavi. Suarez, come on, Suarez. Let's go. You have to face our fears. Everyone, you need to face your fears. Go. No running back.
Comment down below.
This is where I used to hide in the dark.
Guys. Oh.
Go back. Fall back. Guys, it's something that keeps on popping out. What was that? Who screamed? Record. Guys, if you see something coming down below, set from my cat.
Guys, comment down below if you saw me sleep. Yeah, but if you see kids in that,
Wait, let me hold.
they will just wipe it.
Exactly.
It wasn't my finger.
That was your finger. This is my finger.
Yeah, it was just like. Do you know if you see a kidnapper, let's fight? If we see a kidnapper, let's fight.
Car. Hey guys, this is the car. It's a black. Never go near black and red cars, guys. Guys, never go near black and red cars.
Guys, if you see a kidnapper, run. Never fight.
Yeah, only us. I'm a very good fighter.
Yeah, but shh. Get ready to battle.
Sorry, it's just a group of girls. It's a group of girls, that's all.
If we start battering us, we're done. There's about 6, maybe 7
Eight.
of them.
8 of them.
Okay, guys.
Wait, guys. What's my cat doing? She's looking at something behind us. My cat, guys. You guys, my cat, guys. She always looks out for me. So wherever she's looking, there's something behind. All right, wherever she's looking, there's something behind us.
Okay, tilt the camera that way. That way. So guys, yeah.
Car. Suarez, get down.
Guys, you never know. If a taxi could rob us.
A taxi could kidnap us. Go. There's something in there. I saw something in the background. Oh, sorry, guys. Sorry. Torch on. Your torch is still on. if you
We're
want
getting
to eat, no
freaked out.
pressure. When you go, guys.
Guys,
This
we're
is
5 minutes into the video. Let's see.
Oh yeah, 5 minutes into.
We might have to do a part 2 because I don't have a phone number yet. So we might have to do a part 2. See, do you see that? It's not even raining. Oh, it's not even raining.
Yeah, and there's drops. Look up.
Guys, look at the fall.
See, it's not raining. It's not even raining. Look, nothing on me. There's nothing on me, guys. Stay there. Get down. Alright, my brother, guys.
Guys, if you watch Teen Wolf, that was the guy without the mouth.
guys. Right, guys, we're gonna end this video, guys, in part 2. Right, wait, we're just gonna do like another 2 minutes. Right, guys, we're gonna do another 2 minutes of the video. Come. Right, guys.
That was not even Uncle Mark or Ryan.
Come on, guys, let's go. I'm only jogging right now, guys. Now I'm running. Right, guys. In this car earlier, with me and my friends, Ethan and Peyton, we saw something in the car. Comment down below if you see anything car. Because earlier we saw something in the car. Comment down below if you see something in the car.
Guys, I just saw someone.
Where?
Tell me if we go up to your bedroom, make a plan. Come on.
Right, guys, we're gonna go up to my bedroom, guys. Nice clean and tidy. Right, come on. So in part 2.